Do you know many people are having trouble with the ice maker in their Frigidaire FFSS2615TS? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Adjust signal arm. Check if the ice maker wire signal arm is in the UP or OFF position. Move it to the down or ON position. Step 2. Remove ice blockage. Remove any small ice cubes caught in the ice maker mechanism causing a blockage. Step 3. Clean saddle valve. Ensure the saddle valve on the cold water pipe is not clogged. Clean or replace it if necessary. Step 4. Set freezer colder. Adjust the freezer control to a colder setting if the water dispenser is slower than usual. Step 5. Clear ice interference. Move any items holding down the ice maker wire signal arm and remove any stuck frozen ice cubes. Step 6. Clean ice container. If ice cubes are freezing together, clean the ice container and check if the water filter is clogged. By following these steps, your Frigidaire FFSS2615TS ice maker should start receiving water and function properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.